Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mo Finance and News channel. Today's episode's a little bit stressful as we see some warnings and some information online about centralized exchanges. And I'm a huge trader that likes centralized exchanges, so I really kind of wanted to take some time today to break down some info for you guys, kind of separate what a centralized exchange is and a decentralized exchange is, and then show you some examples of both so you know if you are on one or not. All right, let's get right to it today. So first, we get this. Kraken CEO warns us to get your coins out of centralized exchanges. The problem with that is if the CEO of a centralized exchange is telling us there's a problem, who literally profits from us using his exchange and is trying to protect us by saying get out of it, it's crazy to see. So that means A, he's for the people, and B, he cares about your money and is out to protect you. But what's basically happening is the Canadian government's had a decision to seize funds from its citizens' bank accounts without due process. The reason that's a problem is it's basically saying that Kraken will be forced to comply with asset seizures requests, and they're warning us as users to get our coins out of there and our cash out of centralized exchanges. And he's been really against this with the Canadian government. I mean, for many reasons. One, it hurts his business. Two, it hurts the security of his business. And three, it really hits the crypto space in full, and that's a huge problem for the long term as we all continue to use cryptos. Now, the Canadian government aims to cut off funding for the Freedom Convoy protesters, and how they're doing it is by basically shutting off some of these wallets. So where did I see this? Give me a sec. Yep. So they're basically blacklisting crypto wallets that are linked to the Freedom Convoy, and they've currently got about 1.4 million worth of cryptocurrency blocked. So that's kind of crazy, you guys, that they've got control to be able to do that. I know they might not support the Freedom Convoy. I don't even know what the Freedom Convoy is, nor do I care. It's just the fact that they have the power to do that is a little bit stressful, because that kind of takes away the whole benefit of the world of crypto. Now, let me tell you what a centralized exchange is, right? Because many people have asked that question and they're wondering what it is. Well, a centralized exchange can be used to conduct trades from fiat currency like the dollar, the Canadian, to cryptocurrencies, or vice versa. So anybody or any exchange that allows you to have fiat and cryptocurrency pairs tends to be a centralized exchange. The main benefits of it is that it's easy to trade from the dollar back to Bitcoin or vice versa. So it's simple for any user to kind of jump in and out. But the risk to that is you've got people like the CEO of a Fortune 500 company basically saying get your money out of there, which is crazy because that's going to be a huge hit on his business. Now, let me show you guys some examples of centralized exchanges. So we've got things like Gemini, Bithumb, Coinbase, FTX, Bitfinex, Binance. I mean, these are all centralized exchange controlled by a company that owns and runs them. So it's just something to think about if you're in some of those. See, my recommendation wouldn't necessarily be to jump out all the way, but do have what you are comfortable to lose, or if something were to happen, you're not too worried about it in that exchange. Do not put your life savings, do not put all your money in there in hopes that it will grow or you can trade it to win it. You have to be smart about every risk you take in this 2022 financial market, because it is crazy. Now, besides what a centralized exchange is, I want to show you guys examples of not centralized exchanges. So these are decentralized, and they usually, like I use a lot of Uniswap, and what that allows me to do is I can convert my Ethereum into like another coin like Clifford Inu or Zombie Inu or any of those coins. So this is not necessarily controlled by one company, and you're always trading crypto pairs for crypto pairs. But the catch to this is that they're very expensive a lot of times in gas fees, depending on which process you're transferring with. So like if you're using Ethereum, you've got gas fees and so forth. So biggest thing to learn from this video is to be cautious about where your coins are on which centralized exchanges, and do your due diligence and take your time when making a decision on what to invest in. I really do hope this video helps you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment below. If you've got any questions, let me know. Any other video ideas or something you would like me to cover, please just shoot me a message or comment down below. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day.